Welcome to our destination. Hey Madhav, Jay and Daksh. I saw your work and it's really good. Madhav, your line drawing is really good. And Daksh, you are in kindergarten, right? I saw your little drawings around the kite. It was so good. And Jay, you're so creative. I saw the changes you have done in sun. It's so pretty. Keep it up, guys. And today I was thinking to do some craft activity. So let's make this bird. Okay? It is very simple, not at all difficult, and you can use any material lying at home, any hard sheet from your old projects or anything you have available at home. So let's start. ये ठीक है? So you are going to take a sheet, a thin strip basically from any sheet. This is 1.5 inch thick and A4 size sheet you can take and then cut it from there. So first thing is you're going to divide it. See, this much portion we'll take for the face and maximum portion we are going to take for the body. So first thing you're going to roll it. See, if you want to use glue stick, you're going to apply the glue stick here. I'll show you. You apply glue stick here and the lower portion of the sheet. Make a roll of it and this will go here. I repeat, apply glue stick at the back side, give a turn and again apply glue stick at the lower portion of the sheet and fold it. You can press it for some time, stick it. I'm using your stapler so that we make it faster. It's so simple. See, here I have used googly eyes, but you can, if you don't have it at this time, you can use marker. So we can draw eyes and eyeballs this way. Fine. And now we are going to stick beak to it. For beak, again I have taken a very thin strip. I'm folding it equal and then this is the closer portion. This is closed. This is open portion. From here I will cut it into V shape. See. This way. Okay? And then I need some space to stick. So that's why I'm giving a fold or a curve to this portion. Now open it, apply glue in the center, hold it nicely and press this from the center here, this way. Okay? And then with soft hands press it this way. If you want to close the beak, you can apply a little glue here and close it. Cute. Now we are going to use tail. For tail, we can take 2 or 3 strips. You can take straight strips and then place them together and give a cut from both the sides. And after that, give straight cuts here. Fine. And to make it more nicer, more beautiful, see, hold it nicely and then with the help of any sharp or stiff thing, press it little so that you get some curve. It is like, you're peeling something. You're peeling off. Then open them, one down, one up, place them together. You can take glue stick. Here I'm using stapler. Then apply glue stick nicely and place it at the lower portion of your bird.
Okay, I'm using stapler because I need to show it faster. At the same time, I'm trying to apply glue. Now, for the feather or for the wings, again you can take a small piece of paper, fold it half, and from the open side, see this is the open side, draw letter D, the back side of the D, and cut it. Now here in this portion, lower portion, I'll just draw it for you and show you. This much you fold it inside, both the sides. And from here, see, you need to place it this way, otherwise you'll make mistake. So you need to fold inside. Okay, and now apply glue quickly to the lower portion. And this we are going to stick here. Let it get stuck. And now we need something to hang it. So I have this thin strip. You can take any paper, any sheet. We can apply glue, we can use stapler, whatever is available at home. And then same, you need to apply glue stick. And here press it nicely.
So our bird is ready. This is how you want to make so many colorful birds. Use any kind of material at home and enjoy your craft today. Have a nice time and do remember to subscribe my channel.